Creating a YouTube channel involves a few simple steps. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. Sign into YouTube. If you already have a Google account, you can use that to sign into YouTube. If not, create a new Google account to access YouTube's features. Go to YouTube Studio. Once you're signed in, click on your profile icon at the top right corner of the YouTube homepage. From the drop-down menu, select YouTube Studio. Create a channel. In YouTube Studio, click on the Create button located in the top right corner of the screen. A drop-down menu will appear, and you'll need to select Upload Videos. Set up your channel details. You'll be prompted to provide some basic information about your channel. This includes choosing a name for your channel, creating a custom URL, if eligible, and selecting a category that best represents the content you'll be sharing. Customize your channel. Click on the Customize Channel button to personalize the appearance of your channel. Add a channel icon, profile picture, and a channel banner to make your channel visually appealing. Create channel art and thumbnails. Channel art and thumbnails can help attract viewers. Design eye-catching visuals that represent your channel's brand and content. Upload videos. Start uploading videos to your channel by selecting the Upload button in YouTube Studio. Ensure your videos are well edited and engaging to capture your audience's attention. Optimize video metadata. When uploading a video, provide accurate and relevant titles, descriptions, and tags. This will help users discover your content through search results and recommendations. Promote your channel. Share your videos on social media platforms, embed them on your website or blog, and engage with your viewers by responding to comments. Networking with other YouTubers and collaborating with them can also help grow your channel's reach. Analyze your channel's performance. YouTube Studio provides analytics that can help you understand your channel's performance. Analyze metrics like views, watch time, and audience demographics to gain insights into your viewership and adjust your content strategy accordingly. Remember, building a successful YouTube channel takes time and effort. Consistently creating high-quality content and engaging with your audience will contribute to your channel's growth over time. Good luck with your new YouTube channel.